In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Roblox Murder Mystery 2 on laptop without a mouse. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to play Roblox or any other game on your laptop without using a mouse, I'm gonna show you various different solutions to get this done. So I'm gonna show you various different options and you can pick whichever one you prefer. You will be able to play Murder Mystery 2 or any other experience inside of Roblox. All that you have to do is choose from any of these methods. So the main method that I would recommend right away is to use the trackpad. The trackpad is essentially a mouse. You will be able to perform all sorts of actions that you would with a standard mouse. And because it is attached to your notebook or laptop, you don't need to worry. It is always going to be available and it is natively compatible with all sorts of applications and games. So all that you have to do is swipe your finger across the trackpad. Of course, this isn't as precise and as satisfying as using a mouse, but it is an option if you don't want to connect one. And as you can already see here, the secondary option is going to be to use a gamepad or a controller. All that you have to do is connect it to your laptop, usually through a USB cable or wirelessly, whatever you prefer. And once it is connected, it is going to be detected by Roblox, so it has native controller support, meaning that you will be able to join Murder Mystery 2 or any other game and use your controller fully. So choose whichever option you prefer. Alternatively, if you don't like using the trackpad and you don't have an external controller, then the last option would be to enable this option in Windows, mouse keys. This is going to allow you to use your numeric keypad, so these buttons here at the right side of your keyboard, to control your mouse. So essentially, you can use this to look around. So by pressing these buttons, you will be able to simulate moving your mouse up, down, diagonally, to the left, to the right, and so on. All that you have to do is enable that option inside of the accessibility settings in Windows, and once this is enabled, you will be able to use your keyboard to play Murder Mystery 2 or any other game. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Roblox MM2 on laptop without mouse. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.